Oh là, ma che bel clima estivo hawaiano. Frescolino! Ciao man! Bus navetta arrivato! Impianti di traino abusivi ne abbiamo. Io battilo!
Let's go back to when they used to shape shift and shift right back. Before I picked up the mic and started writing rhymes, I could alter my form at any given time. Shape, shift, shape, shift, shape, shape, shift, shift, shape, shift, shape, shift, shape, shift, shape, shape, shift, shift, shape, shift. Let me take you back to the start when I first started shape shifting. After class at school, really wanted me kicked in. There was little D running for his life, with his heartbeat, bumping himself. Moved into a G-up, them cheats couldn't keep up. 60 miles per hour was the speed, I was G1. Gone straight into my mother's arms. Even tried to morph into a car, a bars, a shiny gold bar. Even break the hitman heart, but my mama couldn't see it, she just laughed. Giggled to herself, you a crazy boy, get in the bath. And you better scrub harder, the time to be fast. I was like, nah, I'm a superhero, I'm honest. You should've seen me earlier, running laps on it. The fools couldn't catch me, believe I was on it. Watch me shape shift, are you watching? Let's go back to when they used to shape shift and shift right back. Before I picked up the mic and started writing rhymes, I could alter my form at any given time. Shape, shift, shape, shift, shape, shape, shift, shift, shape, shift, shape, shift, shape, shift, shape, shape, shift, shift, shape, shift.
Bella!
Let's go back to when they used to shape shift and shift right back. Before I picked up the mic and started writing rhymes, I